Good morning, great day. All right, I'm back. Gonna do another t-shirt, but this time I'm gonna do it with foil. It's gonna be a shiny material, so I'm gonna do that. Of course, got all my things together, got everything set up, so let's get to it. I got it set up for 7 seconds, so go ahead and put that on here. Of course, remember 3 fingers down. Make sure it's even on both sides. Okay, 3 fingers down. Oh, so yeah, to make it a little easier, just to center it off, I was looking at a couple more things. So yeah, it's best to crease it. So the first step is a hot peel. Use that to get that heat off. So all right. So that looks pretty good, laid on pretty smooth. All right. Now for the second step, I have to apply the foil face up. Well, with the shiny part though, because one side dull and one side shiny. And I'm gonna put this on. We're gonna press that. It says press it for 7 seconds. And this part right here is actually a cold peel. So gotta wait till it cool all the way down. So you gotta wait till this cools down. You gotta wait till this completely cools down before you can actually, you know what I'm saying, take it off and have a finished product. So it's a difference between a cold peel and a hot peel. A hot peel is when you have to, well, you can peel it, you have to peel it when it's hot. A cold peel, if you peel it too early, you might actually, like some of the traces won't be on it. So the cold peel actually cools down, settle into the fabric, and then you peel it so it can be even layer. Nothing out, no specks here and there out, and simple as that. Cold and hot peel. Learn something every day. All right. So how I explained last time, you got a cold and hot peel. I know I'm sitting on the floor looking over, it's crazy. I want to make sure y'all can see evenly. So this is a cold peel. You actually got to be real careful with this. So see how they peel off? Cold peel. So this is the finished product. Trying to get it in light so y'all can see how shiny it was. And That's the cold pill. This peels off the foil. And that's a cold pill. So, learn what a cold pill is. As I learn, you all learn. Share my video. Man, have a blessed day. Have a great day. Peace. So, that's what a cold pill is. As I learn, you learn, we learn. So, I'm going to be bringing something else. Cold pill. Gotta get ready for my day because it's early in the morning. It's like 7 in the morning. So, all right. So if make sure y'all subscribe, comment down below, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and don't forget, man, if you are looking for any inquiries or you want a t-shirt made or anything you want to learn about a t-shirt, and I actually have a candle business, so I'll post some of that, some videos on that also. But if you want to hit me up at rawmotivations.com. That's the website. Like, subscribe. Peace.